This water spear. What's up, guys? The Arabian horse. Of the elephant. This is when the elephant were used for fights, you know, wars. Because there are some inscription there. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this part. Stay tuned as we move to the next place. It's been an amazing learning all about the pottery. The place is so beautiful. Beautiful, guys, creating some memories. The good thing about this place is that the people are so nice. They are so happy to see you, you know, taking pictures. They really enjoy. Yeah. Outside here. The environment, the conservation efforts here is on another level. So we finished about the Stone Age, about the inscriptions of the early writings, the pottery, and of course about the stars and the solar system. I don't know what's on the other side. I'm just on my way to that side now. So that would be surprises. But let's enjoy. The environment outside here is so cute, so beautiful. Yeah, I tell you, the conservation that has been done here is amazing. Assalamu alaikum. Everyone here is happy to see me with the camera. Yeah. So there's a waterfall here. You can see here there's a waterfall. Beautiful. Yeah. Do you think I'm in a desert? Tell me in the comment. I am in Saudi Arabia. See what's happening here. I want to go down there and see. Yeah. This is beautiful, huh? You know, after that very busy week at work, this is where you should be coming every weekend. You know, you got to feel some freshness, you feel home. Yeah. Work done by people who are conserving this place. Apart from learning the history, it's also good. You come here, you appreciate yourself. Yeah. And of course, meet some friends. Hello, brother. I never thought that this place exists in Saudi Arabia until today when I came here. And this is so attractive. It will make me come here almost often when I'm free, because the environment is really beautiful. Yeah, the conservation efforts, yeah, is amazing. I got to see some birds, From my understanding, this is actually a restored former palace. It was a palace before, but it was turned into a museum a few years ago. Yeah. So guys, I don't know what is in this building. I'm not sure what is in there, but I just want to go around and see if I can get a space to get inside and check inside. Yeah. The dates, so many dates around here. This one which is almost ready. That one there. Assalamu alaikum. I can go inside? No. Mafi? Only outside. Barabas. Okay, shukran. Yeah,
welcome.
Thank you. You can be in the camera?
Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
No, from
Kenya.
How are you, Kenya?
Yeah. Kenyans, we are being greeted by... You're from Saudi Arabia?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
My name is Turkey.
Turkey. Beautiful names. Beautiful name. I'm from Kenya. My name is Elisha. Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Shukran. Let me go tawar show. Okay. Thank you. You see, guys, these people really love visitors. This is a security officer. He saw me. He was inside. I was trying to enter. Then he came. He told me, no, you cannot enter inside, but you can walk outside. Yeah. But you see the approach, friendliness. Yeah. You can feel like, can feel the love, the hospitality, all that. Yeah. So that is the beauty of Saudi Arabia. Yeah. So guys, since we cannot go inside, let's just roam outside. I'll just leave you to watch the view. But remember, this is Saudi Arabia. It's not in any other country. Look at how the conservation efforts is here. Water conservation, tree cover, all that. Let's watch. Inside here. walking here feels so relaxed, you know. Yeah, it's beautiful in here, guys. I like this kind of environment. Feel fresh. Look at this. Kind of management here is on another level. But remember, I'm on a former palace. I doubt I must be the first Kenyan here. If you've been here as a Kenyan, put a comment down below. We see how many of us. At this beautiful view. By the way, guys, if you are watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe down below, put a like and comment. What do you think about this place, about this former palace? Yeah. Wondering. Got this corridor here. Beautiful corridor. Where the first kings used to stay. Wonderful. This place is so huge, guys, so big, you know. I've been walking almost 2 hours, you know. I haven't even finished half of it. It's really huge. It's really big. you've learned something from this video, and thanks so much for being with me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you keep following me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook. This is still the first part of our journey of discovery, our journey of exploring Saudi Arabia. It has just started. I'll be taking you to more and more places around Saudi Arabia. I really want to show you more about Saudi Arabia that you don't know. The beauty and the hospitality of this country. As you've seen, anyone that meets me with a smile, greet me with a smile, you know, always happy, wants to shake my hand. Something that is really encouraging and what I like most, you know. So I'll be signing off now, but still stay tuned, because tonight I'm taking you to one of the beautiful places here in Saudi Arabia. Remember, also in Saudi Arabia, when it comes to nightlife, they have some of the best places to visit, you know. You go to see that they have some of the best beautiful and romantic places to visit, especially at night, you know. And so tonight, guys, I'll be taking you out. Stay tuned, but kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Add me some numbers there, guys. We are still very low on YouTube, but on TikTok we are doing so well. Thank you so much for always watching my content. Thank you for always coming back and pushing me. Some of you are really pushing me, asking me, what are we going to see today? But I promise you, whenever I get time, I'll be coming out, you know, going around, bringing you some new things, or bringing you beautiful things about this amazing country, you know, with great people. Yeah. So let me say thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. It's time to make that sign. Peace. Hello. How are you? Good. You're from the Philippines, huh? I'm a vlogger. Alicia. TikTok, eh?
TikTok?
Yeah.
You're live now or what? You're alive now or what?
I'm live.
You're live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of you are from Philippines?
Yeah.
I'm sure the Philippines will see you. How are you, brother? You're so quiet of all. Yeah. Guys, I've met some friends from the Philippines. Beautiful country. Yeah. Where do you come from, the Philippines?
TikTok only, Mindanao.
Mindanao. Oh, beautiful. TikTok? Nice.
Spiritual in the Philippines.
For you, how long have you been in Saudi Arabia?
Only 1 year and
1 year.
6 months.
Very new, eh? Where do you come from, Philippines?
In the Mindanao, Marawi.
Ah, okay. Marawi. So where do you work here?
We are in the food industry.
Oh, food industry. How do you find here? It's good?
Yeah, it's good. It's very nice. The weather, I mean,
It's very harsh
hot,
sometimes.
very hot, very cold.
How's the climate compared to Philippines? Philippines is a bit
Philippines
cool.
Much, very, very nice. It's
Yeah.
like a paradise.
Yeah. So I'm sure some people will watch you, maybe
Yeah.
from Mindanao. Tell them something. In Gava-
shout out in Philippines, Marawi City.
This is your friend from Marawi City in
Amal,
Philippines.
Amal.
Yeah. Beautiful people. You know, I work in a Filipino restaurant.
You work in the Philippines, in Luzon, Manila.
I work in a Filipino restaurant here. Yeah. You know Lapas Pachoy?
Batak.
Yeah. There are so many, 7 branches. So I work there. So maybe we'll meet there.
Inshallah, we will be here.
I enjoy your food a lot, especially kari kari, pulalo, adobo. Yeah.
That's good.
But I like sinigang also.
Sinigang.
Yeah, tanigi. Yeah. And balot. Sometimes I eat balot. Also, yeah. Okay, guys. I hope to see you again.
Okay.
Yeah. My wonderful friends from the beautiful country, the Philippines. Sorry. Christian, see you again. Eh? See you. Ayo. See you, Lapas Pachoy. Right? You'll come and see me there. And I hope this video will be watched in Philippines. I want them to see that you are doing good here. You're happy. You know. Yeah.
We will share something. Share in the Philippines.
Yeah, inshallah.
Watch the video, okay? We will do the video.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'll see you again. And you're from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Namaste.
Namaste, Mapi.
Where?
Namaste, India.
Oh, India. Pakistan. Zindabad. Zindabad. This is another friend from the Pakistan. Where do you come from, Pakistan? I know. Karachi se aa rahe hain?
Karachi, Peshawar.
Peshawar. Oh, Patan.
Patan.
Ah, Pashto malum. Ah, good. Nice. Pakistan, very nice people. I eat Pakistan roti, you know, Pakistani biryani. Masaraf, very nice. Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
See you again. Also from Pakistan? Ah, beautiful. You're enjoying here, eh? Ah, okay. Hope to see you next time. Bye. The interesting thing about vlogging is you meet amazing people like those Filipino friends from the beautiful Republic of Philippines. Amazing people, very hospitable, you know, people who are really so friendly, you know. I like them a lot, and you know, I work in the restaurant. I know how beautiful Filipino people are. They are some of the amazing people on the planet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll gonna sign off for now, and then I'll meet you in the next video. We are going out tonight, and I hope you stay tuned to watch my next videos that are coming on the way. See you guys. Love you.